Hey, you've probably seen minnow traps made before, but this one is easy, so easy that I made it right here on the edge of the lake with what I had in my tackle box. So stay tuned. I also got cool underwater footage of how well that trap worked. As well, the next video I have coming up is going to be really cool. I had fun doing it, but I was blow gunning for bullfrogs. Stay tuned for that. Plus, shortly we are going to be going to Boston, Massachusetts. We're going to be fishing Cape Cod and all over the coast over there. So those are other videos. If you guys are interested in seeing, subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss an episode. All right, guys, we're going to show you how to make a minnow trap. Here we go. We got these zip ties right here. We're going to use those. We are going to use this Ice Mountain water bottle, the Outdoor Edge knife, and what we're going to do is cut around the high point here as evenly as we can all the way around to take this top off. We're going to start off with that, so let's get that done first. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we cut that all the way around. Don't need that lid. This is going to go on the inside just as such. So now what we're going to do is poke holes so that we can attach this. I'm going to get the smaller blade so that it's easier. Remove that blade. We'll take out the thinner fillet blade out of here. It'll probably be easier to poke a hole with that. You could use a drill bit or something, whatever you got around the house, it doesn't really matter. But we're just gonna sit here. Gonna make one hole just like such. Get out a few zip ties. I'm gonna put a zip tie right through that hole we just created. Lock that bad boy right up. I'm going to come to the complete opposite end, directly across from it, and we're going to do the same. And then we're going to clip all these tag ends. So now we have where the minnows can come in. What we want to do next is we're going to poke holes around the back. But I'm going to go all the way through. Just like that. Now I'm just going to get my normal old stringer and I'm going to run that through both sides. Then I'm just going to tie a knot on this side. And now we're going to go put this in the water and see if we catch some minnows. This will be a good spot right here. and we're gonna see if we catch any. Stay tuned.
Yeah, take care, bro.
Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate each and every one of you. I just wanted to let you guys know, if you are interested in what it's like to visit Cape Cod or to fish Cape Cod, the Cape Cod Canal, and all along the coast of Boston and its surrounding cities, stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss those upcoming episodes. But until then, the next video coming up is me with a blowgun hunting bullfrogs. Stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoy as well. Thank you and have a great day.